Hey guys, it's Tracy. I am going to do a home decor little project. I want to create some of these to put in my 4th of July patriotic decorations. So I thought I would just turn on the camera and kind of show you what I'm doing. Now I shared these in one of my hauls, and I got these at King Dollar, which is a Texas dollar store. Everything is $1.25. So I found these red and blue and then the clear. They're kind of like mason jars, but they're plastic, and you know, it's all good. So I got four for $1.25, so you cannot beat that. Then I got some of these daisies from the Dollar Tree, and gonna use some of those. And then the hydrangeas, I have these off-white ones that I'm going to use as well. I have different areas that I like to put little flower things, so I think I'm going to just put all of this and make some cute little decor. Okay, so I made one of these like this yesterday, but I had to stop because we had to go to a little birthday party. So I was going to finish them all today, and I'm so glad that I kind of broke it up a little bit, because I went back to the Dollar Tree to get some more fall flowers, and then I looked for some more different 4th of July stuff, and then these have these little glittery stars. So this is the one that looks like this with the hydrangea, which I can leave it like that, but I want to show you how I put these little things in there, okay? Another thing that I am doing to weight it down is put rocks in it. And I get these at the Dollar Tree as well, or they're called stones, but I just call them white rocks. And so I needed to get some more of those because I only had one little pack, and that wasn't going to go very far. So I'm just gonna, it kind of weights down the little jar, and then also it makes it look really pretty, and then I can hide the stems, the green stems in it as well. I also want to put a little cute little bow around the mouth of the jar. And so this bow right here, I had bought this ribbon after Christmas a couple years ago, and it's been sitting in my supplies, but this is kind of the width that I want. It's a 1 inch, and it has some wire on it. Or I also have this burlap, and I will put a link in the description below, or the description of this video, of I got this off of Amazon. It's a big old roll like this, and I haven't used it yet, but I thought that this would look really pretty, really rustic for this 4th of July decor that I have going on, and that I love to do for my home. Gonna take my Dollar Tree lighter, and I'm just going to singe the edges of this. It works pretty good. Just make sure you don't catch your ribbon on fire. I held it on there a little too long. There we go. If you don't want to put use the lighter, you can put Mod Podge on there. I've done that in the past as well. Put just a little Mod Podge on there, and it kind of keeps it from fraying. So what I noticed about this ribbon from Amazon is that it's not wired. And I really like the wired ribbon, so I think I'm going to go back to this. This has a little yellow tint stitching on the end, which is really cute, but you know, you cannot beat the deals like after Christmas. I probably got it for, you know, 25 or 50 cents. So I always buy a whole bunch of stuff, and then throughout the years, you know, I'm always using it because I can incorporate that in my crafting, especially when it's burlap like this. I mean, that goes for all year long. I just cut the tails off at an angle. You can always curl them, or, you know, just leave them as is. Okay, I like this a little bit, but I don't know, this one's cute too. So I guess it just really depends on what you want to, what kind of look you're going for in your decor. I just have my big old thing of Aleene's tacky glue, and I'm just going to insert that back on so that it kind of sticks and glues on there, because we don't want any fallen little stars. Those rocks don't want to give. There we go. That looks really cute. I like that. Okay, then now for this one. It goes in there a little bit better. Let's see about this one. Oh yeah. I don't know, I kind of like the hydrangea look. I'm not really a carnation girl, but I understand. I respect them because they're flowers, but I'm not too keen on carnations. Need that a little bit longer. I cut it a little too short. Let it stick up a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Super cute, using dollar store flowers and just dollar store materials. Cute, cute, cute.